I'm in Baranconta, so
Oh, okay.
yeah,
Let me hear you.
Baranconta is John Mama hometown. Bole
Oh, okay.
bamboi consequence.
Oh, okay.
Uh,
Oh, okay. Hey, I hear
so
say that place now you people get asphalt for everywhere.
the big push will do.
Hey.
And Udim,
Mm,
and your friend saying, hey, mommy, I will me chrome, wa. The your
okay.
vampire say, near my beco na. That should be on my bed, yeah. Now, the air can say, also, walk quite say, the Ben obey wagon say, Obebawa. Namen
Me.
tia o Lord Femma.
Oh, maybe an early next year, maybe.
Davi, Eliness here, the Viana, Ncolana, or Mode A. I saw ACC Potros, na ya moya my almost can't be an aya, ye man who's no. And Tiano no who quino.
And the yeah, your video first send me.
Unim from
Mm,
a friend saying, a teach mine
mm,
to bamboi. Unim, ufi teach mine, ebedru wenchi. From wenchi, ufri wenchi, aye ya. And I who say yes. A quine be a quine. Now, some through bamboya, a quine no a sanye kakra. Ufri chinga krum, aye kakra. Now, from Banan Conta to Wano,
mm,
se wo kohonma, ne a catcher say, IGPB efri wa,
mm,
our free drepa, unyini, na say a catcher
mm.
say, na ye were Minister of Defense be our free wa, your friend Alhaji Mama Idrisu. Ne yiri betuma Idrisu, ebe ye Speaker of Parliament, day, the friend say,
Is it AG or
obeye
something like that?
pinini, oh, entino, se unim mpanyimfo a omofri ewo aban mu na omo ye den na omo ba ekwan no ho a nde ekwan no yenia John Mahama kura be di president da na yakase ye krom kwan ni amasa arewo ma ye no mu binum a ye tu kwan ehu kwan no ye na ye ma arewo se $1 million kura ka betuma ye sa kwan we enbre mi bo kwan no ebu bokru no din so bi ti a obeye na agin se o mi ka kwan na asem na mi ka kosi se $1 million kura betuma ye kwan ade na $10 million dollar no ko form no na aye den ye ka se aba 11
A
cedi no
billion.
na aye den
$10
amagana fo
billion. $10 billion. Billion.
eh
Yeah.
billion
Yes, a 10 billion US dollars, a million. 10 billion US dollars.
me say emu $1 million kura betuma ye kwan
Cra.
oh dabi Ghanaians there dabi unim sa kwan we wa kwan a free 1992 ana Rollins ye ya ebetra tuna kakra o ye ya sand bar e krobi o ya fro no kwabe endu sola papa o ana ojao since abo ade no say ye behu kota no ana ojai no honom andu sola mpo na ababole o mampanyi kufo na ebeye kwan no to ye friends o ye ya tuwenchi nti ye benye kota bole benye kota ho asam na me ka chewo
Wow. Usi, on my penny kufo ne disa
ai
eye bole kwano.
ai
Ebrana Obi Free Bole now a Minister of Communication, John Mahama and Rollins.
Massa. Sabren na ye free ye friend say ye free slim me ko drew we ano o ma frɛ mo ano. Oh, na say me yesrem ni na me ka say me no enye say minimu. Minim dia meka. So bi temi a onhu say aya na ye kasa ni nyina no. Ye ka asama nimpa no ebe ye ade bia ma wa obeye de nye say wo ka say me yesrem ni na wudi ekire yo. Dabi ese ye ka niema bi. Na unim say Bole hanum na yenye TV nhwe. Obisa obia omampanyin kufo eba Bole ana Bole for the two nanim say omunya TV nhwe ana okoma GTV ebe si polo Bole.
Wow.
Ni yetiminya TV hwe. Ode ya yenhwehwem say asam okay James kai. Echina ya na hwe.
Wow.
Ekwan we so bamboi saa kona light ni ha. Ntenyimre bi na omampanyin kufo ekowa na nkro ni nyina obaba bia na ese says those days no nti sende omu ti se panyin bia bese akose na ofa kwan ne so ana enimpa bodwa anadwo na omu ye den omu ye oduru banankonta na obisa ase papa bi na efe no koro oda so hompo ana obisa koro se on na ye because area ha nyina se oba baby ye area those days no your mama ntino se unya nimpa miensa ewo kuro no so kra na omu ye NPP fo a da onya mi ase koro no timi organizing kola ni nimpa bebre no mbe ye kwan nti o no so mampanyin kufo so no ye ta do ye nti o hu nimpa na onjum nti o si no se ada ya ma light of anana koro no se bo light ye hu bida no se me koi mema light aba the light one light yendum light enso eno nema omampanyin kufo hu se saa kuro we ya so na ofri ho a wokọ jama obui damp honom no.
Okay.
Ana omampanyin kufo ko hu said no se light nsam ye idi ande kwam nkruma ye we bi wa hanom a ese project no ka ekoso dadaada na mambo boni nti yentimi yenti no ese mebeye ahane njama wona nti na eko se nyende animpa mpebra ahane jama na abui damp no wono ye na nti na eko no mampanyin da kufo beye abui damp ka anso ha akufa do bae no bui damp wo ha o nso akokalew wakokalew akoye solar light nti sanka waba na wa odiem ya kwan masa every blessed day and Robert me rob be 2-3 times from your friend say Bole to wa.
Wow.
O de ya hwehwehwemu nsam we amake.
No say no kre say am Robert dey say ni na ba news mo.
Enam say
ni na na mo reporting po.
Enam say unim ekwan ni nya nti. Wako motorway tama motorway ko ka say o block kwan arob. What is a robo motorway da?
There we say kwan no ye ntia.
Korobo ye. Oh, entino sets $10 billion. Udie ahanum no. Eko border wo. Aha kwano. Udie behwe Burkina for because ekwa to hamile to lew. Entino udie nka yeni yie. Na Burkina kasi ya efa hai. Ne yenji omutu an kakra to nu kra no che yesi yenji na ye kwan ni wi a nti na ba omiamo se to no yentwom na yenya kwan ni yie na wo obi ade a to na no wahu se ade na a woje no ampa ese metua na obi nkotuto man house mu ebeduru bamboi a wose ma ije wuto enti no mesre pa se ba wonim rollers kan na no kore abo bi beka wa na efiri huntumam efise yena ya Ghana fo yenne yenyi na yenye anobaako
right
te anobaako a ka wenyi na yebejai party nsema to ne akase sika puduo se mamu nkoso nsai ni bi mu de momfa mbeye ya kwan mai unim nze me kasai banangonta so pa sisia ebia se wafa ha cha umfa ha bima Bole district krobia ni wa ubetima akase nimpa wum echen banangonta common clinic enia oh see
Ewa Bole hono no
ai banangonta yes
Ebra mo amuba ayo Mahama timisi asori dan baku 10 in less than
clinic ni ha fe omampenyin kufo time no omampenyin kufo time na wo be ye kwan we no wade a na ye na wade be ye de ebesisi ne quarters bi eno na omaje dia ye chip compound bi na chip compound no palakura ni ho palakura ni ho
wow
me yari ma mi BP me call a private even TCC ano enam say private aid phone na be yibie bi o me call chip compound ka nurse ni kura ekumi ade a odi check me BP kura no enye ntimi ankata kura na me hu nyansa nam no me hu se de me hu me sitie no se me ye fast eko baby foforo na me tu moto nyame kura na ema me adwen kura na nyame na ebo me moto no man hwe ase me koduru ya nipa no checki me BP wie ya no ntentem na no ofre oyi ne doctor oye ma wonum se ombra na obi aba ho ne nya agro enye sa nka mewi na se what ma fasa sika we a ye nkro nyina nso what ye nihwe yama mambi na okona buchira eja na me adom o ma abrofu bi Canadian bi omo abesi hospital bi wa hanom e wo carpenter ba eno so krampo no omo ade ne se area hu se hania wa hanti no omo die na na operation abrofu no kra omo abeye hospital no kese pa but omo operate ne sante wo ma na satam ya adobre na eya akofo mu hu se enumum na ya nimpa okrum ante wo na abrofu na ayede aba be yi omo operation omo yi nimpa na operation because e be register to omo ba be ye operation bi amo cycle hospital papa biania up to buidam no kra na e wo krampo no omo kra nche dan ni hospital papa biasa na buidam kra omo hospital na omo abaye no eno no krampo no wu individual untimi nko untimi nko enti niema ye na ye krum ha no masa kai se na obisa tamale situation tete masa niema ye fam wa hanom niema ye fam wa hanom na se wote wona wo mo den kakra masa obi bayare no de abonche mepebusia obi to a otumu se ade na awaba na ontimi mbeka nkyerɛ se mameskan ko family bank hospital ti de obeya ne se mamebusia ba otumu se nimpa no enye busia na oba enti niema ye fam wa hanom no enye easy ti munka bi na se mumma omunhu se niema mebobɔ so kyerɛ o nyina no me kyerɛ se wo ye program na wa kyerɛ se mini ukrom krase ni ho ukrom krase ni ho kama nimpate a mbo hu se ampa ye bro hanom ne dollar nsem na omo de dollar hayen.
Video no on YouTube news Facebook and your concerns are well noted. Don't worry about that.
Aba.
Yo, me that say
Yeah, me manu esino me se dollar ne de bi da so wo ho a mo de be ebu be pusha me sra mo eno de omo nyam fan ye no me sra mo a ne mo de ko ya de bia mo mfa nyam mo bia mo mfa mra mbe ye wa kwan no maye.
Oh boy, Juma.
oh yes I do. Hey, is this Mayor?
Jose.
But Mayor Anna.
Oh, David.
Oh, okay. Let's hear you. 5 minutes.
Well, then, I think some me go so scroll my TikTok and I me do one and said let me talking I mean go conversation about my share and yeah papa but I heard about the $10 million and I since I think say a real motor na me tin ho asem and me bisa me say nti say your mind Ghana no emfa pa na say emfa na ye koi yem pay for them pa 90 and this abai mobile within a year mponi o 1 year pepe nie and I'm spending over $10 billion. Almost nim the $10 billion betimi aya na.
Obunim power.
So why they release that sika we said $10 billion say any dollar no obi sika ti baby ye no say so raise $10 billion say any say sika no enye na ye sika no engina baby faako. Ye sika no engina baby faako so still enyoma boy egusu ye den e wo Ghana o nti so den na ekoso. And then I got social nurses for mo to amuntu omo kania dese odwen ho a ti bon koso NDC party we menim omo sori a ona yi friend say ato forcing enenam central region say then ebisa they say nyoma bo no egusu gina baby gina they say look at all this. So if you we are the nkrofo na nkasa nka then na wankasa okwa abonte say okwa akobisa bisa o masem. The voice. It's serious, wow.
A serious issue.
It's serious. And we have a lot of work to do. You were quencha papa mean can't that out. You were quencha. Serious.
Now are you not worried about NPP? The way we instead of being concerned, no, we are behaving as though nothing is at stake.
No, they have to talk. I mean, once I American, so and this this is the time I say like I'm out for me like I can't like I'm out for who the echo because we cannot yet even stay a year. I'm out for the banomu din through almost nyoma and sem fata nyoma mobile ya mo ye 1 year near the voice. Be papa be no betimi edi omunsaka se omobai omaye apart from some buy omochichi amanfo omabo wura we fi no makwachi no makwa ese no machiwe edem pan within 1 year anything I will share all the NDC to all the NPP to me say in terms of you can say good policy NPP is the best. Try go forward in the first year under even 6 to 7 months now we implement free education and in collage Ghana almost a year in Kuala Lumpur, benefiting for free education. Mobile then my $10 billion 1 year. Hey, now there be Sikano, Radia Hopo. I'm with you sorry because I'm $1.5 billion, $3 million.
November $1 billion now we spend November. That's in November.
Charlie, it's so terrible, bro. It's so terrible.
On my year call IMF bossy. On my $3 billion.
That's what I'm saying.
Now what 10 billion? Is this how you will spend it?
Hey, and yeah, there is more to come because 1 year upon my idea. And yeah, nice idea, dear, ni mu idea. Mubesa the full flash uncle Gumuno no. Hey, Ghana. Oh, we're riding Yankopo. Charlie.
Me that's
the voice. All right.
I mean, sometimes you ask yourself, say, Ghana, no, how did God even do it? Say, only as a conform more Swansea use it. I think sensible people, all of them are going to be at one side. Now the other side, no, they're quen. Yeah, my empire new, This nation, last year, Nife. I mean, Nife. Imagine, even look back, 2020, Ebra Corona in our honor. How the nation was. We had a leader who was always with us. Now, even Nigeria for Mpo, they were always ready and waiting for Akufo-Addo's address every Sunday evening. The hope around and the aura around the presidency, all is lost now. What you say? All the things being displayed to say, things that have been rehearsed and yet natural is not flowing. A content creation. Content creation. They are acting. And you have a health minister. Something serious like our compatriots dying. Or G test number. No, yes, as a person also, as a also. I think we have someone here called Mr. Nee. Let's hear what Mr. Nee has for us. I think. Ask them more. It's really not easy. It's not easy at all.
Okay.
Yeah, Mr. Nee, welcome.
Good morning. Good morning.
Morning, it's saying.
Yeah. Please, I'm well. Everything is fine.
Okay,
Everything
let
is
me
fine.
hear.
Yeah. I just joined and I requested to speak about something that is going on. But then me in Ghana for I joined Kwechi Bebreza. But then
Oh, Mr. Nee, we have lost you.
home.
Can you all?
Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you. Let's go.
Hello.
Okay, I think Mr. Nee has an issue. Omanaja Kwaba. I'm mute wo ho. Omanaja wo ho, I'm mute wo ho. Na yent mute wo kasa. Oh, then I go Sam George there. Omanaja wo ho. I see. I think there's an issue with microphone network, right? I have Malik Sulemana here. Let's see what Malik has for us. Okay, Malik can say.
Yo, good evening.
Even Akwaba. Where are you speaking from?
I'm speaking from Tamale.
How is that, Malik?
Oh, Tamale is fine. And how are you doing?
Oh, by God's grace, I'm fine. But we can't
That's
complain.
great.
Mm.
Oh, I just came across your thing and I said, oh, let me join this live. I tried first time, you didn't pick him up. So I said, let me join again and see whether you pick him up.
Oh, okay. Thanks for
Yeah.
coming back.
Yeah,
Are you a patriot?
Huh?
Are you a patriot?
Yeah, I'm a patriot.
Oh, okay. That's good to hear. Now,
It's all about what? It's all about what's going on in Ghana now.
right.
It's not easy. We must come together and sit up to work together and win this 2028 elections. We have all seen what is going on in this country. Those who said, oh, we will sit at the house, we will not vote, we will weaken the party and see what will happen. Now, they should see what is happening in Ghana. They should see what is happening in Ghana. NDC is hijacking everything. They are trying to use power to show us pepper. Now see what is going on in Ghana. They are not working. Rather than they are just doing anything at all to rule the country in their favor. Why all this? Why all this? NPP, we have to wake up and forget about the internal issues. Let's tackle the issues in Ghana. We must come together. Oh, when you are supporting Kennedy Japan and I'm supporting Baumia, it doesn't mean we should insult each other. Bring your ideas and I'll bring my ideas. After 31st January, when my candidates win, we will all come together peacefully and campaign towards 2028.
Right.
But this is about ideas, not about insults. So when we are going for contest and you are insulting me, just anything at all, you insult me, telling me that I'm this, I'm that, I'm that. And after the election, you are calling for reconciliation. Will I agree to your reconciliation? I will never agree with that.
Yeah.
So we must sit up and work together as a party. Internal politics is just normal thing. We must wake up and do it peacefully. No insult, bring your ideas, I'll bring my ideas. We will all sell our ideas to the delegates. If they choose Kennedy, we will all follow. If they choose Dr. Baumia, we will all follow Dr. Baumia. It's very simple. See what Ghana is going through. It's not easy for us. John Mahama is showing us pepper. He shows us that, now I'm in power and I can use my powers to do anything I want. First in history, look at what is happening in Ghana. Chief Justice, now they want to tackle the EC. How? How did we get here? So we must sit up as a party. The party is what? NPP is the only party that can develop Ghana. So when NPP is ruling the country, they are ruling all. They are not saying that this person is NPP, this person is NDC. They are trying their best to what? Rule Ghana, so that everything will favor Ghanaians, not only NPP members. Just take a look at the free education. So we are bringing policies that will favor every Ghanaian, that will touch every Ghanaian.
Now,
But
Malik,
compared to NDC,
Malik, how is Tamale right now as we are speaking financially? How are things? You put a sit up?
no one will sit up because things are not easy. We are not finding it easy. Like they were using dollar for campaign. Now dollar is at 11 cedis, and things are increasing. Things are not reducing.
Last time
So now they are not talking about
fugu from Tamale. The price the people were quoting, I was like, hey, even Tamale. And that we used to get fugu cheap. Now fugu is very expensive.
It's expensive. Where they are getting the materials. So it's not easy now. Those who were making noise, dollars like this, your mama is our hope, whatever. Now they can't talk. We are all suffering together.
Wow.
NDC cannot create jobs for the common Ghanaian. NDC cannot create jobs for them. But they were here making noise. NDC is this, NDC is that. Now they are having their MPs and the president is ruling. So they should find jobs for them.
All right. Thank you so much, Malik, for joining us from Tamale.
You are welcome.
That's Patriot Malik. And I'm always happy seeing our friends join us from Tamale and seeing the love they are displaying and showing the elephant family. Let me pick two more people and then let's call it a night. Big Dream says that where is the 24-hour economy? That's a big question you are asking. Now we no more ask that question. If you ask it, they will trace your IP address. Big Dream, what IP address here? James, good morning.
Good morning. I don't
I didn't hear.
Yes, I don't Onim say
Oh, sorry.
one pick yes so a program yentimi nja ye betie saa wa sheda.
That's
Yeah,
so where are you talking from?
yeah, oh now na yes adia. Mom mfa nko baby anko mo bia mfa mra wa kwan no so. Me da ase.
Yeah, that's Uncle James. Wow, that's Uncle James all the way from Bole. Finally, let me pick Umonaija. Umonaija wo I'm meeting who na meeting Kasana Marco. It's saying
Nyame adom no yɛ
long time. School not saying.
ɔkyerɛ nyame bɔkɔɔ.
Yo, that is what I said. Let me hear you. 4 minutes, man. Sorry, sir.
Okay. Mepa ɔkyerɛ ɛfiti sɛ John Dramani Mahama baa so. Nsɛm bebree. Na menim koraa mpo sɛ wakɔbɔ bosia ho. Mbra ɛna metie news na mekɔhu sɛ Mahama akɔbɔ bosia afiri sika a yɛde ato Nana Addo kɔ gya too hɔ no. Wakɔbɔ bosia afiri.
Yeah.
Wanka nkyerɛ obiara na kyerɛ sɛ nkurɔfoɔ bebree so a wɔnyim ɛhɔ me koraa menim ndɔe ara na mekɔtie bi na metee. Ɛnso NDC-foɔ no wɔaka wɔn ano ato mu, wɔayɛ wɔn adwene sɛ wɔnka.
Say treasury
Dollars
bill now. Papa fast come home.
treasury bill na ɛno na nka mpɛ sɛ meka ha.
Yeah.
Wo sɛ woatete dollar no so. Dollar na woate so no. Ọmụ ọmụwọ dwam ne ọmụ a ọmụsesa sika no nyinaa si dollar no ebi ne system mu. Nso Mahama sɛ watete dollar no so. Nti wate so na yɛnya bi fo bi dwa no a ɛno no ɔyɛ dollar na wate so. Anaasɛ wate so wɔ ne fie. Nti no ɛna nneɛma bebree sika a wose metie Tafo MP. Sɛ sika no wa budget no 45 cedis. Adeɛ no nso yɛse pad no deɛ no boy den koraa 15 Ghana cedis. Mahama budget baako bia 45 Ghana cedis. So baako bi obenya mfasoɔ 35 cedis. Ɔmo kɔ school wei no ɔmo nya bi. Nti da ɛbɛba no deɛ gye sɛ ɔmo atwɛn. Sisi a nso asan ɔsɛ ɛkɔtɔ planes maako mmiɛnsa. Wo ablakwa betena ka sɛ engine no baako asɛe a obetumi de mmienu na aka na ayɛ adwuma. Na ɔde atutu kwan. Obi papa a wabɔ bra no no mfa plane a engine baako asɛe. Ɛnkɔ. Na Mahama de ɔnkɔtɔ foforɔ. Plane crash no baeɛ. Afei na ɔbɛka sɛ Mahama etu kwan a na ɔnenam fam ɛna dɛn. Yɛasoma ne sɛ ɔnam fam. Ɛyɛ ne pɛsi ne nkonya.